Hello. Today we're going to learn how to navigate Windows 10. If you've recently installed Windows 10 from the upgrade or a clean install, you may be a little confused as to how it's actually laid out. It really is a much better operating system than Windows 8. I ran Windows 8 for a while and I will tell you it is an improvement. First of all, you have the start menu. It does not turn into this big tile screen like Windows 8 did. It does have a lot of features and settings in here. You can customize this. But what if what you're looking for is not there? Go ahead and right click on this icon and you will see a lot of things that you will have to go into other areas of the computer in Windows 7, Windows 8. They are now right here. Programs, features, power options, event viewer, system, device manager, network connections, and you can look down the list. For those power users, we have the command prompts in here as well, and computer management, disk management. Task manager is also in here. You can get to the control panel from here as well. File Explorer is also in here. You can do a search, run, and your shutdown, restarts, and sleep are also in here as well. If you're on some other part of the computer and you want to come back to the desktop, you can actually right click and go to desktop and it'll bring you back. I know that was a lot. Go ahead and play around with those options and you'll find them very useful. Over on this side, you'll see this little arrow pointing up. This is your icons that show what is running at that present moment. I am running this in boot camp, that's why that icon is there. Over here you will see your Wi-Fi connections. This will show you all the area connections that's near you right now and the one that you are connected to. Volume control is also in here. Over here, it's the Action Center. I haven't had a lot of stuff populate in this area as of yet, but in the bottom, you'll also find if you have a computer that is also a tablet, you can turn it into tablet mode. This also shows your connections. You can pull up your notes, all settings, VPN if you're so technical that you want to set up a VPN. If you have Bluetooth, that will also be in here. Quiet hours, you can tell the system at what hours to operate certain functions. This is the one that most people will be wanting. Here you'll have Windows updates, security, and recovery options, your account options, personalized options, again network and internet settings, devices like printers, mouse, Bluetooth devices, systems. This is going to be your display and notifications and powers. There's a lot of stuff in here. Go ahead and play around with all of this as well. As you can see, just by right-clicking on the start icon, you have a lot of options that you do not need to go search for. And over here, you also have a lot of options that you do not need to go search for. They've made it very easily from the desktop to find these options. You do not have that big slide bar that comes out anymore from the side called Charms. That is not there anymore. They've taken that away. You do not need to go up to the corners to these hidden areas like Windows 8 did, which was very annoying, very confusing for people, because if you didn't know to do that, you would never know to go there and do that. And now it's simply here. Right click on the start, get to your options that you may want here, click on this icon, and it brings you to these options that you may want here. These are also found in the control panel. If you was actually go into the control panel, you can probably find most of these options as well. But they're right there at your fingertip, quite literally. And if you have a touch screen, they're also in there too. Simply long hold and it'll come up. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.